Don't lose faith.
Huwag mawalan ng pananampalataya.
I'm convinced that the only thing that kept me going was that I loved what I did.
Kumbinsido ako na ang tanging bagay na nagpapanatili sa akin ay ang mahal ko ang aking ginawa.
You've got to find what you love, and that is as true for work as it is for your lovers.
Kailangan mong mahanap kung ano ang gusto mo, at iyon ay totoo para sa trabaho, tulad ng para sa iyong mga manliligaw.
Your work is going to fill a large part of your life, and the only way to be truly satisfied is to do what you believe is great work. And the only way to do great work is to love what you do.
Ang iyong trabaho ay pupunuin ang isang malaking bahagi ng iyong buhay, at ang tanging paraan upang tunay na masiyahan ay ang gawin kung ano ang iyong pinaniniwalaan ay mahusay na gawain. At ang tanging paraan upang makagawa ng mahusay na gawain ay ang mahalin ang iyong ginagawa.
If you haven't found it yet, keep looking and don't settle.
Kung hindi mo pa ito nahanap, patuloy na maghanap at huwag makontento.
As with all matters of the heart, you'll know when you find it. And like any great relationship, it just gets better and better as the years roll on.
Tulad ng lahat ng usapin ng puso, malalaman mo kapag nahanap mo na ito, at tulad ng anumang magandang relasyon, ay lalo itong gumaganda habang lumilipas ang mga taon.
So keep looking, don't settle.
Kaya patuloy na maghanap. Huwag kang magkompromiso.
My third story is about death.
Ang pangatlong kwento ko ay tungkol sa kamatayan.
When I was 17, I read a quote that went something like, "If you live each day as if it was your last, someday you'll most certainly be right."
Noong 17 taong gulang ako, nagbasa ako ng isang sipi na parang, kung mabubuhay ka, sa bawat araw na parang ito na ang huli mo, balang araw, ay tiyak na tama ka.
It made an impression on me, and since then, for the past 33 years, I've looked in the mirror every morning and asked myself, if today were the last day of my life, would I want to do what I am about to do today?
Nagdulot ito ng impresyon sa akin, at mula noon, sa nakalipas na 33 taon, tumitingin ako sa salamin tuwing umaga, at tinanong ang aking sarili, kung ngayon ang huling araw ng aking buhay, gusto ko bang gawin ang gagawin ko? Gagawin ngayon,